How to make a watch winder. Making a watch winder is a fascinating project that requires some technical knowledge and craftsmanship. To begin with, a watch winder is a device designed to keep automatic or self-winding watches wound and ready for use when not being worn. This is particularly useful for collectors or individuals who own multiple watches and want to keep them in good working condition. To make a watch winder, you will need a few essential components, including a motor, a gearbox, a rotating drum or cylinder, and a power source. The motor is responsible for turning the drum, which in turn winds the watch. The gearbox helps to regulate the speed of the motor and ensures a smooth rotation. The power source can be a battery or a mains adapter, depending on your preference. Here are some key considerations when building a watch winder. Motor selection. You will need a low-torque, high-precision motor that can maintain a consistent speed. Stepper motors or servo motors are ideal for this application. Ensure the motor is capable of rotating the drum at a speed of around 60 to 80 revolutions per day, which is the recommended rate for most automatic watches. Gearbox and transmission. A gearbox or transmission system is necessary to reduce the motor speed and increase the torque. This ensures a smooth and consistent rotation of the drum. You can use a pre-made gearbox or design your own using gears and bearings. Drum or cylinder design. The drum or cylinder is where the watch is placed. It should be designed to hold the watch securely and allow for smooth rotation. You can use a 3D printed or CNC machine drum, or even a wooden or plastic cylinder. Power source and control. You will need a power source, such as a battery or mains adapter, to power the motor. You may also want to include a control system, such as a timer or microcontroller, to regulate the winding cycle and ensure the watch is not overwound. Watch mounting and security. The watch should be securely mounted to the drum or cylinder to prevent damage or loss during rotation. You can use a soft, padded material or a custom-made watch holder. Some popular materials for building a watch winder include wood. A wooden watch winder can add a touch of elegance and sophistication. You can use various types of wood, such as mahogany or walnut, and add a finish to enhance the appearance. Acrylic or plastic. A plastic or acrylic watch winder is a cost-effective option and can be easily customized using 3D printing or CNC machining. Metal. A metal watch winder can provide a sleek, modern look. You can use aluminum, stainless steel, or other metals and add a finish to enhance the appearance. When building a watch winder, it is essential to consider the size and weight of the device. A larger watch winder may be necessary for larger watches or for winding multiple watches simultaneously. Additionally, you should ensure the device is stable and secure to prevent it from tipping over or causing damage to the watch. If you are not comfortable building a watch winder from scratch, there are many commercial options available. You can purchase a pre-made watch winder or a DIY kit that includes all the necessary components. These kits often come with instructions and can be a great way to get started with building your own watch winder. In conclusion, making a watch winder requires careful planning, attention to detail, and some technical knowledge. By selecting the right components, designing a functional and secure drum or cylinder, and considering the power source and control system, you can create a high-quality watch winder that will keep your automatic watches in excellent condition.